ruffians on them doesn't mean I'm gonna fly away ruffians, so you don't need to worry about that. Okay, look, 2 socks, 2 socks. 2 socks. Baba. It's a little bit embarrassing, ruffians. Baba. Kinda see my collarbones. So please don't stare too much, okay? I'm sure you wanna see my face. Okay, ruffian. Here I go. Baba. 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 What do you think? Twin tails! Baba! But, as you can see, I have stripes! Striped socks! And my knees. Ignore the band-aid, okay? Nothing happened. Cute sleeves too, right? They sort of look like a dinosaur. But that's not because I'm a dinosaur. Got it? I'm mococo! Oh! Huh? Can you read it, ruffians? Zogog. Zogog? No! It doesn't say Zogog, okay? Are you using your brain properly? Huh? It says mococo! Yeah? It's me! Mococo! Baba! Huh? What do you think? Cute! Huh? Yeah! Baba! Yeah! Baba! What do you think? Huh? I did my best. Yeah! Yeah! Wink again!